Alright folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the
Gear up, gear down. Safe mode. Experience.
We're going to take up the E-flite A10 that I just did a build on. An unboxing and build last night. The day has gotten calm enough to where I can come out here and give her the old maiden. The only thing I've done with this plane as far as controlling it remotely is well, you know what? Let me go all the way to the end of the runway there. I drove it around in my driveway just to see how she would react. Alright, let's get our range test taken care of here. Always do that on a brand new model, or a model you haven't flown in a while, or anytime you change, you know, receivers or anything like that, you know, or if you just think you need to do a range test. It certainly is not going to hurt. All right, let me get down here with my normal position for jets, which is this particular one here, and doesn't really matter which direction I take her off in. Oh boy, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm running do a right, left, up, down, right, left.
Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps.
Everything's all right. All right, well, I have no excuse.
Takeoff flaps.
We'll do takeoff flaps. All right. I got full of ordnance on her. Not gonna open her up. I don't have all that much space here, so certainly not gonna open her up.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes. Flaps up. Gear up. Landing flaps. Gear down.
Oh, that wind. Oh, she's down. And in one piece. Oh, my hands are just shaking.
Flaps up.
Oh boy. She did seem like she needed some more
Safe mode. Experience mode.
more up elevator. I might be able to go on there. I think what I'm going to do is go in there and mechanically adjust that elevator
Time remaining 2 minutes.
to give myself a little more elevator authority. I don't think she has enough elevator authority. And make sure I'm in.
Low rates. High rates.
Yeah, I'm in high rates. I'm going to leave her in high rates. Okay.
Takeoff flaps.
All right. Boy, what a sweet flying jet.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Whoa, rough landing. All right.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, let's
Flaps up.
make sure my gear looks okay. Oh, get it turned over here. Yeah, the gear's okay. This time we'll try landing her from this direction here. So we'll take off this way. Yeah.
Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps. Seconds. Landing flaps. 20 seconds. Ten, 9.
Oh man.
6, 5, 4.
Well, grass hops. Hey, she came back in one piece. I got to bring her out here on a nice calm day, really see what she can do. So I really need to work out the trim. She needs more up elevators. And so I need to go in there and mechanically change that to give me some more. But other than that, I'm feeling really happy with her. All right, folks. Well, there is the, let's make sure our landing gear is okay, because we had some really rough landings here. But, hey, there you go. E-Flite quality for you. All right, folks. Well, that's the E-Flite A10. Got the maiden under my belt. My heart's just a pounding. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And God bless y'all. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird.